This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making meatballs with chili tomato sauce. I have here 250 grams of minced beef and 250 grams of minced pork. But you can use all minced pork or all minced beef or any combination of both. Put in 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Half an onion, finely chopped. Two eggs. Half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of pepper. Now mix this really well for about 3 to 4 minutes till the meat becomes a little sticky and pale in color. Now, roll the meat up into about the size of fish balls. Next, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, mix together 5 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato sauce. I find that kids prefer the taste of ketchup, while adults prefer the taste of tomato sauce. But either one works here. 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Use any type of chili sauce you like, and adjust the heat according to your preference. Also add in 1 chopped tomato, and 120 ml of water. We will also need half a chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. That's by mixing together 2 teaspoons of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. In a hot pan over medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the meatballs till they are brown on at least 2 sides. If you would rather not get your hands too close to the oil, use a spatula to put the meatballs into the pan instead. Fry the meatball in batches if your pan is too small. To check if the meatballs are cooked, cut open a meatball and check the inside. It should no longer be pink. When done, set all the meatballs aside. Remove most of the oil, leaving about 1 tablespoon of oil behind. Over medium-low heat, fry half a chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Fry the onions till they are soft and translucent. Next, pour in the prepared tomato chili sauce and bring it to a boil. Let this boil for a minute, then add in the cornstarch slurry while stirring the sauce. This is to prevent the cornstarch from clumping up altogether. As soon as the sauce thickens, turn off the heat. Add in the meatballs and give it a good mix to ensure that all the meatballs are coated with the sauce. But be gentle. Don't break up the meatballs or you'll end up with minced meat in chili and tomato sauce. This dish is great served over rice. This is meatballs with chili tomato sauce.